I'm Tyler Hall, and this is Alison Potts, my partner. I'm a fire alarm technician, originally from Hamilton, moved up to Auckland a couple of years ago, and Alison works for an e-commerce company, and she has her own small business selling festival fashion.
It was quite hard to find everything we needed in the price range that we were after.
Trying to find a good area also was pretty difficult for us with our limited budget. We wanted space so Ali could set up her business if she needed to, or I could have a space that I could study in. We chose Kiwi Build because we knew that we'd have the Kiwi Build guarantee, which was good, and ended up being 50 grand cheaper than things that were pretty much built exactly the same. Finding any good opportunity like this is something that we want to jump on pretty quickly.
Kiwi Build was a really welcoming way to enter the property market. We felt really secure and just comforting to know that they dealt with people like us all the time.
We chose Hewlett Oasis because it provided the study room, which was really good for us. We loved the sunlight pouring into the front of the property, and it was just in a really good area for us. There's shops nearby, which is really perfect, and there's also public transport nearby, which is great for us as well. I can definitely see my near future being here, and it's exciting to see, especially when we have our little puppy in here and have the space set up, and being able to walk up the park just up the road.
It's a perfect first home, literally perfect. So yeah, we were really pleased with it and have been recommending it to lots of people.